Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today in this video we'll see a very interesting feature many of you use airplane mode in smartphones. Well, it is generally used while we're in an airplane where it's taking off or landing during those times only, because it may interfere with pilots or cockpit signals, or for many other purposes such as to restart a mobile network, which I use personally a lot, or for certain times when we don't want anything to disturb us in our phone. Well, do you know that the same thing is available in a laptop when we use Windows 10? You can do the same thing here in the laptop as well to cut off all the wireless, Bluetooth or NFC as well, the near field communication. So let us see how to do that. We'll open up Windows 10 here in my laptop. So the basic thing is, when you see Windows 10 here, just go to this taskbar below the screen of your home screen or whichever screen. There's something called a taskbar. Go to that and click on the network part. So once you click here on the network part, you can see here this is called airplane mode. Once again I say, go to your taskbar, see your Wi-Fi on the laptop on the bottom, almost on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click here and see there is something called airplane mode. Along with mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi, all these things, there's something called airplane mode. So just click it. Okay, I'm clicking it here. Once I click it, it has turned on. So once it has turned on, my Wi-Fi is not available now. Even I can't even switch on my Bluetooth perhaps. Let me see. Bluetooth. Well, there are separate settings for this also, whether you can allow Bluetooth to turn on or not. I'll just click on Bluetooth. See, automatically the Bluetooth has turned off. I have to turn it on again. So once again, if I just click on the airplane mode, I right click here and I can go to settings and see. You can see once I turn it on, my Wi-Fi is turned on. So you can also even control Bluetooth from here. If I just turn on my Bluetooth from here, if I switch it off, it turns on. If I switch it off, both turns off. You can see once again I switch off, both turns on, Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. If I switch it on, both turns off. You can choose the settings here. So if I do that, I can't switch on my Bluetooth while I am in airplane mode. So this is one way, and the way is to the conventional way. Go to settings. For that you can go to start, scroll down to settings, settings here. Once you go to settings, you can see here network and internet. Here you can see in the left side there is something called airplane mode. Click here and you land at the same page. So here you can switch on or switch off. So I don't recommend you go such a long through such a long process to get into airplane mode. It is available very much here in the right side bottom corner of your screen in Windows 10. Just click here and control your airplane mode, turn on or turn off your airplane mode from here. So friends, it could be very handy, very useful to at situations where you don't want any Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth to disturb you, or especially at airports or inside an airplane where when the air hostess tells you to turn on your airplane mode so that everything gets switched off, so that it doesn't interfere with the cockpit's signal while taking off or landing. So this is how you turn on or turn off airplane mode. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please do like it and share it across various platforms. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so that you get to know more things about those little digital or technical things to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.